Okay, friends, here we go. A quick little glimpse into my new creative space, and this one change right here, putting the journals and Bible right at the corner of that shelf. I see it when I first walk in the room, and I just did that this morning, and it grounds me. It makes me so happy to walk in here and just that be the first thing I see, and then all this inspiration and the beauty and my journals and the books. And for me, that's where creativity starts, honestly, is in my photographs and in journaling. And then we have little teddy bear here popping up and saying hello, watching out the window. He's kind of like, Mom, get me off the camera. I have to cover my paintbrushes with a towel so the cats don't eat them in the middle of the night. And then here is my shelf full of all the goodies that I am going to be playing with now. I feel so much better now that the clutter is out of my dining room. I know this seems a little bit cluttered, and it is, but it's still more peaceful to me. I can close a door and I can just do my own thing, and I'm really excited to be moving into this space and get creating. And next up, when I have the dining room in order the rest of the way, I will give you a quick tour there next.